daw, no?
Oh,
Ayan.
gago ka.
Okay na,
Hala.
okay na.
Oh, ay, recording na.
Yup.
Okay, guys. Welcome po sa ating session 1 sa ating campaign set in Freljord called A Tale of Frost and Fang, A League of Legends story. So I'm your dungeon master, me. And well, nakilala naman natin yung players natin later on. So our story starts in sa outskirts pa ng Outer Freljord. Like papunta pa lang tayo sa Freljord. Merong isang passenger cart, I should say, passenger wagon on its way to the first of the many towns of the Outer Freljords. Freljord itself is a very, should I say, continent-like of size, in size. And it expands and it stretches a huge majority of the northern parts of Frontera itself. So much so na Noxus, Demacia, and even Ionia can enter the outer edges of Freljord itself. But in this story, we will start at the Demacian border. So, in this passenger wagon, it only carries 2 particular passengers. Ever since the incident, Freljord itself is no longer a very welcoming region. Well, it was never welcoming in the first place, but now it's even more unwelcoming as well. We'll find out. So, in this passenger wagon, there is seated a unseemingly out of place maid.
La!
She wears
Kasi
she wears well, she stands out because she's wearing a maid uniform, and across from her is another figure that is more dressed in for the occasion. So, Grace, would you like to introduce your character?
Okay. Wait, describe ko lang ba yung ano? Or kailangan in character na?
Yung character na to, or ikaw bala, siya pwedeng out of character tas in character na. Pero it's up to you how you want to start.
Okay. 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 My name is Grace. I am a maid from Demacia. I serve the royalties there.
Wait. Si Mama.
Ay. Tuloy ko lang ba?
Sige, go.
I am here to seek out the origins of my past because my mother told me so. Ano pa ba? Grace is a barbarian. Meron siyang blonde hair na maigsi lang. And then, naka-maid outfit siya. And, ano pa ba? Ayun lang. Meron siyang six-pack abs. Thank you so much.
Okay. And as for the other passenger, Althea, would you like to introduce yourself?
Look, kasama ko pala siya.
Oo, kasama tayo, be.
What the heck?
Hindi,
Tagal na
Beka,
sinabi ni...
napag-usapan natin to.
Alam ba, parang absent ako na.
Hindi ka absent naman.
Your Honor.
My character's name is Alethea. She is a Targonian from Rakor, the tribe of Rakor. Uh,
Mhm.
she grew up as she was born from a family of nobility, yet grew up as a soldier as much as every member of her family was. And right now, she is on a pilgrimage to prove herself worthy of uh, being a part of her religion, that well, proving herself that she can uphold their principles and values of protecting life and being able to help others. That's all.
Mhm. Okay, Grace and Althea. Would you say that this trip is filled with silence lang? Like, mag-uusap ba kayo? Or would you just let the ride take its ano lang talaga journey
Usap
quietly?
kami, kausapin mo ako, Mi.
Um, Unfortunately, si Alite, hindi siya masyadong
Ano
di
ba
siya,
yan?
di siya,
Parehas
di,
kami
di
ng
niya
chat.
Mhm.
kayang mag come up with topics.
Mhm.
Pero if tatanungin siya ni Grace about something, sasagot
Mhm.
naman siya.
Shy type lang
Mm.
si Grace.
Mhm. Okay.
Paano na?
So yung inyong ano,
Ano ba yan?
Grab drive is well, full of silence. Pati yung driver niya, it's a silent ride kasi yung binok niyo. Oo, silent ride kasi yung binok niyo, guys. Kaya medyo naubos yung pera niyo din kasi may dagdag ano yun eh, 50
May fee.
silver. May fee yung silent ride, yes.
Grabe naman.
Pero as you approach closer and closer to Freljord, dahan-dahan niyo na rin napapansin na yung kalangitan itself grows darker, and
Mhm.
yet you, Althea, as a well, knowing the aspect that you worship, 'di ba? You should know that around this time it should be still bright as day still. It should be sunny pa din.
Oo.
Pero in this case, it's almost as if it's already nighttime. That's how dark it is. And then as it continues on, only yung ano lang, yung ang tawag doon yung paglalakad ng kabayo. Yun, basta yun.
Gallup.
Yun lang yung paggalop lang ng horse ang nagsaserve as inyong background music. And then, finally, at the distance, maybe this time, it should be around nighttime na talaga. Perhaps, siguro, if 6 p.m., let's say. Meron ng certain glint. And may nakakarinig na yung parang activity. And then, as you both speak to the driver's side of the wagon, there you see a village. The first village on the outskirts of Freljord.
Wow. Jeez.
Mm. You continue further, a bit pa, until yung passenger wagon nyo was stopped by a local guard. Sumilip sa inside, and he goes, your business. Tapos tinignan niya kayong dalawa.
Ba't nasa kami? Guard,
Hmm.
parang, ano ba yun?
Ano to yung ano natin. Ba't daw tayo nandito?
Mhm.
Alethea would answer, I am Wait, I am an envoy from Targon, and I am here wait lang. Wala, sige ko yung sabihin ko. Nikki, ikaw muna.
Hayop ka! Ako pa. Okay. Sasagot si Grace, sabi niya. We've come from a long way. Wait, malayo ba ang Demacia? Hindi naman, no?
Ikaw hindi. Pero yung
Ikaw
Targon,
hindi.
definitely.
Ako,
Yeah,
oo.
yeah.
Sabi nga, I'm actually from Demacia and my friend here has come
Mm.
a long way. We're just looking for a place to stay.
Medyo napaano siya sa, napahim siya sa sagot mo and like, well, I don't know how we can provide lodging for you too, but I suggest you head over to the mayor's house, or should I say the elder's house. Ask for Nimsi.
Nimsi?
Nimsi?
Yan, tinype ko na.
Ay.
Saan niya
Saan?
tinype?
Saan?
Sa
Okay.
journal,
Nasa
guys.
journal.
Okay, ayun.
Ano pangalan ng town?
Lonely Wood.
Ay, sorry. Ayun na pala.
Di pa.
Bading dito tayo nakatira. Lonely Wood.
Welcome to Lonely Wood,
Enter
friends.
ka pa.
Tapos, yung pinapasok na kayo.
Tumango lang si
So?
Grace.
Thank you. Sabi niya.
Mhm.
Kaya,
You both get off nung sa wagon nyo, and yung wagon is, it makes the journey back agad. Pabalik dun sa Demacian side. Na wala man lang, just a nod. Nag-nod lang siya patungo sa inyo. So, ano nang gagawin yung dalawa?
Di ba tayo mag-uusap, Mick?
wait lang. Thank you for speaking for me earlier.
No problem.
Shall we go to the elder's house? Like the guard said? Or
I guess so.
with you that we part ways? Okay. So, pupunta kami doon sa elder's house.
Uh-huh. So, as instructed nung guard, you head on over sa yung tinuturong bahay. Now, as you have entered yung Lonely Wood, syempre, ang una nyo napansin is yung structure ng mga bahay dito. Now, they're all wooden. Pero what's striking sa kanila is, lahat sila, yung roofs nila, lahat sila may parang triangular na spikes. This is to prevent nga yung snow buildup sa kanila.
Yeah.
And then, pansin nyo na medyo relatively rowdy dito sa Lonely Wood.
Crowd
This is
is like
ironic,
maingay,
diba?
ganun, daming tao.
Yeah. Pero, at the same time, parang may certain disturbance amongst them. Pero, you both still make your way dun nga sa bahay ni Nimsi, which is arguably the most prominent looking sa mga residential na buildings, sa structures doon. It's by far the largest, and meron siyang like hearth na may chimney na naglalabas ng huge amounts of smoke. Like, it's very warm. Na hindi nyo pa napapasok para nararamdaman nyo na it's going to be warm inside. So, anong gagawin niya? Nandiyan na kayo sa labas ng bahay ni Nimsi.
Kakatok.
Kakatok.
Mhm.
Pingi puyel. Ay,
Ngayon na kwento kanina.
Hingi kayo lang. Daming yet. So, as you knock, may sumalubong sa inyong bata. Siya sumagot nung katok niya. And itong batang to is, well, it's a halfling child.
oh.
So, maliit basta sa maliit, kumbaga.
Mm-mm.
And then, he goes, may tinawag siya. Mommy! Look, you got scared! Ganun, something. Tapos, from doon sa side na kung saan siya pumasok sa looban ng bahay, meron naman lumabas na isa pang halfling din. Teka, labas natin.
Nasa
Si-
mayor's house kami, di ba?
Yeah. Check nyo nga yung NPC list nyo kung lumitaw si Nimsi.
Is lumabas sa si Nimsi.
Yep.
Okay. Tapos send ko natin sa journal. Ayan.
And
Okay.
Ay, galing. Ganyan pa.
Oo naman, friend.
Galing.
Okay.
So she comes out and she greets both of you. So, welcome to Lonelywood. I am Nimsi. Well, the elder of the village. How can I help you?
We're looking for a place to stay. If you have any suggestions.
Oh, a place to stay. Well, unfortunately, the inn is a bit full right now, but you can stay here at my home. You can take the attic at my house if you'd like.
I think Aletea
I
looks
insist.
to
I
Grace.
insist. Kami, tapos pinapasok niyo na kayo sa loob. Pinapasok niyo
kaming
na kayo sa
choice.
loob.
Okay, wala
Oh,
pala
wala
kaming
na kayo,
choice.
wala na kayong choice. Tapos sabi,
Paalam, guys.
Makidnap.
you came in at the right time. We're having dinner. Come, sit with us. Tapos naupo kayo. Tapos dire-diretso na kayo. Pinaupo. Wala na kayong choice. Tapos kasama niya yung apat niya na mga anak. Lahat sila siguro mga ano pa, in ages, siguro 3 to 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. Up to 6. Pinilang ko pa sa daliri.
Every year.
Pinilang ko pa sa daliri ko. Sorry, guys.
Up to 6
Oo, yan. Hindi, 3, 4, 5, 6 yung ages nila.
Okay.
Sunod-sunod na lang.
Okay.
Oo. At kumakain lang sila. Well, syempre, mga bata sila. So, makalat, maingay. Sabi, calm down, sweeties. The food is not that great. Ilalaya yung sarili niya. Tapos eat. Tapos kung pinakain niya kayong dalawang, ulam niya lang is,
Hindi magkakakain. Baka engkanto to. Engkanto tayo.
sopas lang siya.
Wow,
Sopas lang naman. Kunwari may sopas sa Freljord. Pero gusto ko kasi sopas
Okay.
Kasi, So, you're looking for lodging, yes?
Tumango lang si Grace.
Well, as I said, I'm offering my attic. You can stay there for as long as you want. But do you plan on venturing further out in the Freljords?
Yes. I do. I'm not sure about my companion, but I do.
Yes.
Well, I'm willing to be a good host and let you stay in the night here for free. Well, it's not like you have any choice, but I do have a certain request, if that's okay with you. Because as I said, you have no other place to stay other than this home of mine, if that's okay.
What is it?
Aletea starts to think, I'm going to be used.
No worries, dear. Well, I'm willing to I'm willing to provide 7 days worth of rations to you, and I will be providing traveling dogs to make the travel a bit easier for you.
I'll take it.
Well,
Na-excite
Okay.
si Grace, sabi niya, dogs?
well, before we talk details then, eat up. Eat up first. Then we'll discuss once we're full.
Okay.
Negotiations are better
Scam
Negotiations are better dealt at the full. Sorry, guys. Negotiations are best handled at a full stomach. Sorry. Okay. So, kumain na kayo. Tapos pinag-urong niya na yung mga bata. Siguro, kaya hanggang sa parang pinapunta niya kayo sa parang office niya, which is parang across lang doon sa dining hall. Tapos to the left nung pagpasok kasi parang may hagdan agad, 'di ba? Tapos doon sa kanan yung office niya, tapos sa left banda yung dining room kung saan kayo kumain just now. Tapos inupo niya kayo kagad doon sa may dalawang libreng upuan sa may tapat ng desk niya. Tapos puwesto na siya kung saan siya nararapat. Tapos he goes,
Wait lang, natatawa ako sa comments kasi. Tinanong kasi, tatrapahin or jojowain si Nimsi. Ang nilagay, iiwasan. Okay, tuloy.
Now, about the offer. You're going to take it, yes?
What's in it for? What are we supposed to do again?
Well, it's very simple. Sorry, nakita ko yung chat ni Dom. The town is currently facing a crisis, as you would say. We're currently having a bit of a animal infestation, as it would say. And as it turns out, it's only one animal infesting, but it turns out to be quite an annoying animal to handle. Well, as you know, we halflings are quite the lengthy living quite of race here in Freljord. And I've been in charge of this town for almost 50 years now. Now, the problem is, I don't want my rule here to be tainted by some fit-mongering moose that's been lingering around my wood. So, what I want you to do is, it's very simple. Eliminate this moose, as they say, and then you'll have weeks worth of food and traveling dogs to take you to the next towns and so for free.
A moose?
Yes, a moose. Should be easy, no?
Anatea looks
guess
to
so.
Grease.
Oh.
A hint of worry in her eyes.
It's just one moose, right?
Yes, just
Well, we'll have to take it then.
I agree.
excellent. Well, that would be. It's great. Thank you very much for accepting my request. Now, I'd like to provide you with more details, but I'd like to point you to the Lucky Liar. You'll see someone there called Bumbling Beard. He should know everything that you want.
The Lucky
Hello?
Liar.
Yes,
Ano
the
daw
Lucky
yun?
Liar.
Yung
Teka.
parang
Lucky.
tavern? Tavern ba yun?
Yes, Tavern. Inn. Lucky Liar. Liar. Teka, type ko. The Lucky Liar. Yan. Yan, The Lucky Liar. Ang maswerteng sinungaling. Yan.
Okay. Nagtanong si Grace. Are we supposed to do that right now or tomorrow or the next day?
The earlier, the better.
Okay.
Kung bilis din.
What's-
Safe driver si ate.
What's our
Anong
plan?
oras na ba?
Gabi ba?
Currently.
Or anong oras na?
Around 7 p.m. na. Yan.
We could go
Maybe-
there tonight and we can start the quest tomorrow if you want.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Can we just leave our things here?
Sure. You can leave the attic already if you want.
Okay.
Tapos tumayo na siya. Tapos iwan niyo muna yung gamit niya. Tapos pupunta ka. Tama ba kinintindi?
Yap.
Pupunta kayo ngayon doon. Tapos iwan niyo lang yung gamit niyo.
Mga extra baggage. Pero
Ah,
dala-dala
okay,
ni
okay.
Grace ang kanyang halberd.
Okay.
Same with Alatea. Dala niya din yung equipment.
Okay. So, you guys hinatid niya kayo dun sa attic. It's very cozy. Na parang yung bahay kasi niya parang you can tell na it's a familial home talaga. And yung attic itself, kahit for treat niya as a guest room, meron siyang like it's warm. Meron siyang at least 4 fully refurbished, fully prepared na beds. May mga drawers sila nakatabi, may nightstands, ganun. Pero yun nga, so you both leave your things and then you head on over to the Lucky Liar. Okay. We now transition into the Lucky Liar itself. Okay. Yen,
Ay, ano siya?
Uy.
nandito ka sa Lucky Liar. And well, during these hours, medyo matao na siya. Pero napansin mo na rin na although yeah, usually sa gantong oras, it's packed.
Mhm.
They're more parang hindi sila kasing in high spirits compared nung first 2 weeks kang nakarating dito sa Lonelywood. And well, hindi siya, you know where you're from. You're from Bilgewater, di ba? From where you came from, parang hindi bago sa'yo yung ganitong klaseng environment.
I'm used
It's
to
almost-
somber and
it's-
quiet.
Mhm. And well, it's almost as if hindi ka umalis ng Bilgewater. It's like Bilgewater pero colder ang pinuntahan mo.
Oh my
Like,
God.
nakikita mo yung familiar na mga tactics na nandilimos pero may nakatagong dagger
May
pala sa
patalim.
likod. Yeah. Tapos yung gantong klaseng tavern na ito lang yung nag-iisang tavern dito sa na to, na isang very chaotic na city na to, na village na to, na kapag may nanggulo dito, mawawala ka the next night, na bawal mong guluhin. It's all familiar to you. Kasi you've been into an environment like this.
Mhm.
Pero as you scan through your surroundings, may naupo na dun sa kabilang side ng table mo.
Oh.
Tapos, but before that, would you like to introduce yourself, Ian?
All right. So, much like the environment of Lonelywood, this woman is all
Lonely.
alone and quiet and lonely, looking like a drooping wood at the corner of the Lucky Liar, and she was sitting there all alone and eating her meal or drinking her whatever, and she's just scanning her surroundings for a particular person. So it's like she's anticipating someone, and when someone finally came in and sat down in front of her, she looks a little relieved.
Mhm.
Also, she has her hood up. Tapos parang
Mhm.
natago niya yung self niya.
Mhm.
Yourself.
Hindi, yung
Self.
itsura.
Mhm.
Pa-mysterious siya. Payami siya sa gilid. Tapos yun na.
So, as naupo itong inihintay mo na individual na to, wala siyang paligoy-ligoy. Diretso talaga siya nagtanong. So, have you given thought about the offer?
It seems that I don't have much choice. You're my only lead. So, I'm taking it.
Okay. Well, let me remind you then. I'm asking you to look for my friend. So, let me introduce this NPC nga pala. So, this particular individual na naupo sa tabi ni Yen ay, let's say, isa siyang, wait, kita na ba siya? Ayan. Isa siyang middle-aged man. And well, siya yung tipo na parang gwapo siya kahit di niya inaayos yung sarili niya. Alam mo yun?
Talagang description.
Oo.
Sige.
Na magulo yung buhok niya. Tignan niyo lang nasa journal. Char, joke lang. Hindi. Ano, may medyo baggy yung eyes niya as if kulang siya sa tulog. Pero ayun nga. Ayan. Okay. I need you to look for my friend. His name is I forgot his name. Wow. Kalimutan ko yung pangalan eh. I need you to look for my friend Tragor.
Magot?
Tragor.
Char.
Oh.
Tragor. Yeah. Tragor.
Chargor.
Sorry. Sorry, ano eh. Ang hirap nung pinili ko sa ano eh. Fantasy name generator.
Tapos bulol pa ako sa R.
Tragor. Oo. Tragor. Yan.
So,
He was attacked along with other friends. As they headed towards here from the city of Dunhaven. I know my friend. He should still be alive.
mhm.
Find him and I'll answer any question that you have.
Very well. But what does he look like?
It's very hard to miss. He has the owl on his shoulder, and they never leave and they're never separated. They're always together. He has crazy eyes, as they say. Very hard to miss.
Does the owl have a name?
Owlet. hindi ko in-expect na itatanong yung pangalan ng owl. Owlet.
Munti ka natawa si Ian pero nag-inhale siya.
Kami nga na malalim.
Owlet and Tragor. Okay. With a crazy look on his eyes. What about the hair
Yeah.
color?
Never seen his hair. He always has his owl hood up. Or did you mean owlet's hair?
You can describe the owl for sure.
It's silver. It has silver feathers. It's an owl. Why do you need to keep asking about the owl? Just look for the man with an owl.
How come in
Inis
different
na.
colors? Okay,
Waiting for my friend.
anything else?
Or not. That's all. For my friend.
Do I have a
Hmm.
map? Sorry, do
Ah,
I
map.
have a map? A map
This is
of
for
like
sa
the
DM ba
local
to?
region.
Yung tanong. Okay, wait. Meron na kayo. Ang lahat ng Freljordians and you, mayroon na ng map. Teka,
Okay.
share ko na.
Alright.
Teka. Buti pinaalala mo.
uninstall ko
Sige.
yung Overwatch. Baka maubos yung ano ko.
Ayan.
record.
Yorn.
There. Okay.
The Lucky Liar.
Wala may map.
Mhm.
Sorry.
Next. May tatanong ka pa ba sa kanya?
So yung friend, hindi, kay sa DM, kasi nakalimutan ko. Yung friend niya from saan daw galing?
Galing siya from, teka, type ko yung city. Nagka-travel siya along friends, parang traveling, group.
Mhm.
Galing silang Dunhaven.
Dunhaven. Sa Freljord din ba yan?
Yeah.
Oh. Tapos, that's the direction of...
Yung kung saan sila galing. Parang papunta na sila from Dunhaven to Lonelywood. Tapos parang na-attack daw sila.
So, north, east, west, south?
Northeast.
Northeast. Okay.
Yeah, northeast.
So, sa mga kakahuyan.
Hmm?
So, sa mga kakahuyan.
Yes.
Okay.
So, isa pa nga pala sa mga na-observe mo nga pala sa Lonelywood na apt yung name niya na Wood. Because yun yung main na profession ng mga ano dito, livelihood ng mga able residents dito. Logging talaga. Kasi, from ano lang, based from your ano kasi, mga napagtanungan kay Caltro, na the further in ka sa Freljord, the less likely ka kasi makakita ng usable na firewood. So, since etong Lonelywood ay nasa outskirts of Freljord, mas ano pa sila, mas abundant pa sila in the wooding resource.
Mhm.
Pero lately din, since as I mentioned, you've been here for 2 weeks, parang nafe-feel mo na there's something going on. Kasi parang ngayon parang more in distress yung mga umiinom ngayon. Parang they're more so drinking for the to drown sorrows out rather than yung normal na after work na celebration na nakikita mo.
Mm.
Mhm.
So, I'm going to ask Caltro.
Mhm.
Can you tell me if this case is perhaps related to the sombering atmosphere of this village?
Medyo parang medyo umano yung, medyo parang, di ba medyo mainit na yung ulo niya kanina doon sa pagtatanong.
Sa
Parang medyo
outlet.
parang, oo, doon sa outlet. Ngayon parang bumalik siya doon sa pagiging somber nung itsura niya. Sabi niya, perhaps, well, I wouldn't be surprised if they are. Have you heard that if this case, well, there's been multiple attacks in different villages already.
Mm.
It mostly targets merchant groups, and well, I guess my friend is just an unlucky man of thought. And well, you already know what happened. Tapos nung after niya sagutin yung tanong mo, may narinig ka sa sa kanan mo. It's the moose! It's the moose! Pagtingin mo sa
What?
Dahil.
tapos nakita mo sa bandang kanan mo may
Moose na yan.
merong familiar na sa'yo na individual kasi matagal, parang for almost 1 week na siya dyan tumatambay sa sa tavern.
Mhm.
Kasi yun lang paulit-ulit niya sinasabi, it's the moose! The world, the end is upon us, the
Ah.
moose!
Mm.
Ganun.
It's the local crazy.
Tas, that's why he's the moose! So, you know him by his name na siya si Babbling Björg. And he's this,
Mm.
parang nasa siya, nasa senile age na siya of humans. Pero well, may reputation siya for being, well, a blabber. And well, marami siyang stories. Like, hindi ito yung first na moose story niya. Parang, meron pa siya mga dating sinasabi na na four-legged creatures na may necks daw na maabot na up to the skies, ganun. Meron daw siya nakita dati na creature na big-eyed creature with tentacles, ganun. Pero, hindi mo na parang yun. Siyempre, knowing yun, parang sinashut out niya lang, perhaps. Pero yun nga, parang somehow na-eavesdrop niya yung yung usapan niyo. And well, yun nga, sumingit siya. Blabbering
Sinabi niya it's
na,
the moose.
parang it feels more directed sa inyo. Kasi parang lumapit pa siya sa table niyo eh.
Slams fist down. It's the moose.
It's the moose! Ganon.
And tapos, Yan is gonna like look at the crazy guy and be like, the what? The moose? You think a
The
moose
moose.
attacked his friend?
Okay, bago niya sagutin yan, pupunta naman tayo sa labas ng ano ulit, ng Lonelywood. This time, meron pang isang parang traveling na merchant caravan.
Ayan na.
Tap- Tapos, this particular ano naman, caravan is galing naman siya from Bremen. Ito-type ko, Bremen. Yan.
Ilayo.
Yeah. Tapos,
Naman.
etong particular na ano to, na group na to, medyo mas ano sila, nag-stand out sila. Kasi meron silang dalawang kasama na very unique. Well, not unique, pero siguro uncommonly yung sight sa Freljord. Meron isang tiny individual na known dito sa world of Runeterra as Yordle, and the other is an animal folk, also known as a Visayan.
Ay, wait lang, wait lang.
So-
Okay lang ba yung alchemy niya?
Oh.
Ano siya sa... Sige lang, tuloy.
Ay. Relaunch mo lang iyo. Okay. So, Snowy, would you like to introduce your character first?
So, he's a snow leopard. He's 6'4", and he's like hunched on his back while inside the merchant caravan, and
Mhm.
he's completely armored, and he has his weapons like very close to him just in case anything happens during the trip.
Mhm.
And he's a soldier from the army, but right now he was given leave due to some circumstances. So now he's just traveling with the caravan, acting like a guard for now.
Mhm. Tapos, yun nga, as you look, you look occupied, you're busy, you're taking this seriously. Parang, tinapik ka nung katabi mo na na humanoid, na isang na human, sabi, thank you so much, Snowy, for joining us.
Of course, it's always my pleasure to help the
Kasi-
people of Fairlord.
Yeah, kasi ikaw, you're from Freljord, and aware ka na kagad na there's been a string of attacks on multiple caravans nga. Pero, although it's very, very unlikely to happen in the borders na, pero
Mhm.
you're not taking any chances eh. And plus, you get paid naman, di ba? So,
Yeah.
you took on this job. So, then next we go to Rhyme. To the Yordle figure. Rhyme, would you like to introduce yourself?
So Rhyme is a Yordle. He came from a Notai tribe. And as you can see, he's a Yordle, yeah. With the face of a cat. And he's wearing a hoodie that has a touch of a Notai tribe design clothing. And then the tribe was attacked 2 years ago, and now currently he's joining some caravan out of his character just to look for some information because Rhyme is a very shy and reserved in unfamiliar social settings, but he just really wants to find the tribe, the missing tribe.
Mm-hmm. So, as the two of you approach the borders of Lonelywood, binaba na kayong dalawa, tapos pinasalamatan kayong dalawa. Okay. Ay, thank you so much, Snowy, and you too, Little Rhyme. Tapos, parang inabutan niya kayo dalawa, each ng 10 silver kayong dalawa.
Let's go.
Dagdag niyo yun sa inyong equipment.
Thank you very much for this, and I hope that if you're ever going to travel again, please do take a guard out. We're still not sure where the attacks are coming from.
Thank
Hmm?
you. Thank you for even letting me join your caravan.
Nonsense. it was a pleasure having you around, Rhyme, little Rhyme. Tapos, he looks at you again, Snowy, and say again, thank you so much for the guard, Snowy. Tapos, siguro, ilan yung passive perception mo? Sorry.
Wait lang. Let me check.
Ikaw,
Passive
Rhyme,
12 lang.
check mo rin yung passive perception mo.
+2.
So, 12. 12 yung iyo.
12 rin.
12. Okay. Habang kausap niyo yung friend niyo na merchant na to, parang sa corner ng ng iyong eyes, tsaka narinig mo rin na parang may nagsha-shuffling about dun sa medyo bandang likod niya. And you feel as if na yung merchant na kararating lang, yung friend niyo na merchant is being watched.
Can I discreetly check who's watching?
Magpa-perception. Are you saying na gusto mo siya i-perceive better if merong tao sa likod niya?
Yeah.
Okay, sige. Wow, unang roll! Ngayon lang yung unang roll natin.
First blow.
Mag-roll ka for perception.
Wow.
Oh shit.
We're not paying attention, y'all.
Well, wala ka na ibang pang napansin bukod sa na... Well, actually, ikaw din, Ray. Pwede ka rin mag-roll. Since pares kayo nakapansin with your passive perceptions.
I'm gonna
Click mo yung skill ng perk.
Oh shit.
We're blind. Completely blind.
He's dead. The joke lang.
He got stabbed and we didn't even notice.
Mm-mm. Tapos sabi niya, that reminds me. Can you please hand this over to Iris Cree? Iris Cree, yun,
Cree.
sorry. Iris Cree. Tapos,
Iris Cree.
kilala niyo ng dalawa tong si Iris Cree? Teka, type ko ulit. Sa ang owner naman ng The Happy Scream Shander. The Happy Scream Shander. Yan. You know this woman na, this shopkeeper.
We'll take it over immediately.
Okay. So pumunta na kayo kagad-diretso. Kasama ka ba, Rhyme?
Ano yung iaabot?
May inabot siya sa inyong products. Ano siya, 3 health potion. Tapos siguro isang potion of speed. Yung isa. Very rare.
Ninakaw, hindi.
No. Yeah, I think bilang mahiyain and si Snowy yung out of the group. Tama.
Ibubulsa mo, Char.
Kinuha.
It's
Gone now.
dadalhin. Sa dadalhin nyo kay Iris Cree.
Yeah.
Okay. Tapos kinaway na kayo ng friend nyo. See you next time, Snowy and Little Rhyme.
Nagbaw lang.
See you.
Tapos, you both head on over dun sa The Happy Scream Shander. Tapos pagbukas nyo, sakto, nandun si yung kung sino in-expect nyo, yung shopkeeper na si Iris Cree. And she's this, wait, show ko siya. Ayan. Kita nyo na ba siya? Ayan. Send natin siya. She's this, human old lady. Siguro, kahit whitening hair niya, she's kinda, like, mga siguro late 50s, or And well, she's always been, kasi, quite reserved of a person. Pero, she's taken a liking sa inyong dalawa. Kasi you're both, sa kanya, ika nga, cats, ika nga. Tapos, kasama niya dun sa tindahan, meron kayong isa pang nakitang familiar na figure. And, Familiar din kayo dito sa ano na to, sa individual na to, pero not by much kasi ang alam nyo lang kasi is kararating lang din niya from a foreign land. Tapos he's this na merchant din siya, and he became like he made a name for himself na nagbebenta siya ng mga unique na products na he calls Hextech inventions daw. So, Kobe, would you like to introduce your character?
Ayan.
Oh my god, finally. I'm Kobe, and imagine a person wearing blacksmith goggles, stained with coal, since he's also working as a smith and, like you said, Hextech, magical tool
Mhm.
artificer. Uh,
Mhm.
he has a pretty well-established store na in town, owing to him being a generally friendly guy. Yeah,
Mhm.
yun lang.
So, ikaw Kobe, since isa kang merchant of goods na ikaw lang nagbebenta,
Mm.
you're generally disliked, ayaw sa'yo ng ibang merchant groups kasi, well, you're selling kasi something that they can't possibly
Kasi
compete with, diba?
invention sila, yeah.
Yeah. But Iris Cree is not one of those. She's very neutral sa'yo kasi she hates everyone equally.
Okay.
Pero parang and everyone like doesn't bother her for it. Equality. She's such an hatred for everyone sa type of person.
Okay.
Pero more like, well, don't want to say hatred, pero tolerates yon. She just tolerates everyone.
Okay.
And I guess that's fair for you kasi you're from diba, a very competitive environment din. And the area of Lonelywood is quite familiar din sa'yo kasi judging from where you hailed, diba?
Yeah.
So nakita mo, pumasok na si may dalawang pumasok sa'yo na familiar na sila, pero you know them by name, pero you're not particularly close. It's this snow leopard of a figure. He's tall, diba? 6'4", and may kaakibat siyang kasama naman na opposite naman niya, which is really tiny, a yordle, diba? Tapos, ayan. Ang gagawin niya, Snowy, inabot niya yung, diba? Inabot sila
Yeah.
kay Iris Cree.
Some bag.
Sabi, thank you, sweetie. Tapos, where were we, Kobe? Oh, yes. You were asking me to sell your, your products, yes?
Yes. I made this new invention actually. It's something for maybe it could be a food source. It does taste terrible, but like,
Ooh!
It's a regenerative food source, but it also is
Ooh.
very prototype, so I'm not sure how edible it is. Maybe you want to try it out. It's a magical salamander popsicle.
Ooh! Magano ka? Roll for persuasion
Saan yun?
sa skills.
Sa
Sa
skills.
pang scammer.
Sa skills?
Yeah, sa skills. Persuasion.
Nasaan yun? Paano? Okay. Check. Paano to?
Press mo lang. Let's go!
Oh wait, nagawa na ba? I can't see the
Yeah,
rules.
nagawa na. Nagawa
Nasa
na.
journal.
Nasa journal.
Ayun. Okay.
So, she looks it
Not
over.
bad.
Yung inaabot mo. Tapos she takes it. Sabi, think about it, sweetie. Thank you. I'm going to give it a try
Thank you,
first,
Mrs.
okay?
Iris Cree.
Oh, by the way. Tapos tinignan niya si Snowy. Sabi, thank you so much for handing me these over. I've been waiting for these, and I'm so glad that they got here safely. How was your trip, Snowy? And you too. Tapos tinignan kanya rhyme.
It was pretty uneventful. There weren't any attacks or anything. We didn't encounter any snowstorms, so we got here as fast as we could.
Mhm.
Ah,
Tap-
tapos si Rhyme nakatingin lang dun sa mga items.
Mhm.
Sumagot ng nothing.
Yeah, okay. Okay. Mhm. Well, Candice, parang inabot siya sa'yo, Kobe, ulit. Inabot siya sa'yo. Parang yung may exchange kayo. Parang may binigay siya sa yung letter.
Okay.
Yan. So, tapos, yung contents nitong nitong letter is something na parang familiar din sa'yo. This is a letter to, addressed to Mrs. Melin.
Ano?
Melin,
Mrs.
tatype ko. Melin.
Okay.
Melin, yan. Now, this Melin is, you know her, she's the owner nung Lucky Liar.
Hmm. Okay.
Parang, yan. Parang sinendang kanya na yung parang it's a formal, it's a formal letter or parang
Parang
kasi you've been,
summons, ganun.
yeah.
Okay.
Kasi you've been trying to make connections, diba, with other
Yeah.
merchant groups. So, you think, parang yung, when you approach Iris Cree, ang good idea to make connections is to befriend the tavern owner, diba?
Oo.
Yan, so yun yung suggestion niya sa'yo.
Okay. Thank you.
And you,
Thank you,
Tapos-
Mrs. Iris Cree. I will head there right now. Right now.
mhm.
Okay. Oh, pero can I
Ay-
notice like Rhyme and Snowy?
Oo naman, yeah. You can
Okay.
interact naman.
Oh my, Rhyme, Snowy, how are you?
Doing well. What are you doing here, Lonelywood?
I was just going to meet with Mrs. Iris Cree. Oh, I did make you guys something actually. So if you want to stop
Oh.
by my shop later.
Of course.
Rhyme.
Always. Go ahead.
Hello.
Hi, Rhyme.
Mhm.
Rhyme was all white. Turned all white.
Bakit?
All white.
Ano daw?
Paano all white? What does that mean?
I mean, namutla. Like, gano'n.
Mutla sa
Bakit?
human
Notice
tail.
na.
Namutla.
Ay, talaga na interaction.
And so if you guys wanna come and check it out, I can show you guys in the shop later.
Being na nagnad si Snowy, nagnad na din si Rhyme.
Okay.
Cute.
Rhyme, do
Tapos,
you wanna...
ayan.
Oh, sorry.
Hindi, sige, tuloy mo lang.
Rhyme, do you wanna warm up at the tavern for now? Oh, we gotta check if we can stay in one of the inns here.
I think I need some juice.
Alright. Let's head over to the tavern. I'm sure they have some juice there.
Oh, kayong tatlo? Si
Sabay-sabay
Snowy, si
kami.
Rhyme. Ikaw si Snowy, tsaka si Rhyme. Well, siguro na-surprise kayo. Para sabay-sabay kayo pupunta.
You're going to the tavern too?
Daw, Kobe.
Wait, sorry? Ako?
Oo, sabay-sabay tayo pupunta ng tavern.
Oh, okay. I was gonna go to the tavern, yeah. Okay, I'll actually get the stuff from my shop and then bring it there, and then I'll show you.
Oh, sure.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sige. So, balik na tayo. Transition na tayo. Balik na natin ang scene dun sa tavern. As I was saying, papunta na dapat si Björk, si Babbling Björk to to the good, di ba? Tapos biglang may may pumasok na dalawang new faces in town. It's Grace and Althea. Well, since hindi masyadong common ang new faces dito, because who the hell goes to Lonelywood anyway? Who the hell goes to Freljord, diba? Especially now, diba? Like, commonly kasi the people that go to Freljord are people who want to, diba, to have a fresh start, diba? Or escaping a life of crime, diba?
Mhm.
And Lonelywood is kind of a good like showcase of the kinds of people na ganun nga, who are just trying to like start fresh, 'di ba? And well, yung new scenarios nga is yung pagiging like eternal darkness yan and everything, like the sun never coming up. It's made things more unlikely for people to consider even heading over to Freljord. Pero nevertheless, it doesn't mean na wala nang nagpupunta. It just means na usually mga nagpupunta has purpose, or either has purpose or like no other option na talaga sa kanila ang pumunta sa Freljord. Like they're going to risk it all. That's the kind of vibe na the kind of like people who usually travel to Freljord, 'di ba? So, immediately pagkapasok ni Grace sa ni Althea, parang minata kayo kagad nung mga patrons.
Mhm.
Tapos pati si Bubbling Bear medyo napahinto siya sa niya, pagkukwento niya. All eyes are on you too. Like parang kinikilala nila kayo. Well, it's been like that kahit papunta pa lang kayo. Parang medyo
Sinusundan na kami ng tingin.
ang tingin, oo. Kasi nga sobrang uncommon talaga nung ganung scenario. Like kahit ikaw Yen, like you couldn't help na medyo at least ma-curious man lang kasi you're ganito din yung reception mo 2 weeks ago when you first came to Freljord, and that's something na ikaw nga, you're someone who's trying to not to stand out, diba? So they stick out like a sore thumb talaga silang dalawa. So anong gagawin niyo, Grace and Althea, with all this attention?
Narinig pa namin, bago kami pumasok, narinig pa namin si Bubbling Bear magsalita from the outside.
Yeah.
Sinisigaw niya.
It's kind of loud, yeah. Sumisigaw siya.
Okay. So, 'di ba, nakatingin na yung mga patrons sa kanilang
Mhm.
dalawa. So,
Mhm.
Althea just raises her hand a bit and then waves slowly at the patrons because she doesn't know how to respond to such attention.
Mhm.
And she goes and say, we're looking for Bubbling Berg.
Tapos lahat ng mata from tapos nag-shift lahat ng paningin nila dun kay kay Björk.
Nga nanonood.
Tapos nakita mo si Björk, parang naka-lean in pa siya doon sa mesa ni Yen. Sabi niya, huh? Ganun siya sa inyo. Me? Me?
Yes.
Why me?
You Nimsy sent us to find you. The elder?
Am I in trouble? Am I in trouble?
Oh no. You're no. We're here for the moose?
Yeah, the moose.
Yes. Bumalik siya doon sa pagkukwento niya. So, bumalik siya kay Yen. Yes, I forgot to tell you about the moose. The moose, I told you. You're not gonna believe this. Casey, what the heck was that?
Si Casey guest appeared.
Nag-twerk sa harap ko si Casey.
Tama.
The moose!
The moose.
The moose!
Ano yung mga tinuturo
At
mo
my
kay
is the
Casey?
moose! Tapos parang ano, pumunta si ano, parang nakita mong, alam mong yung sa mga ano, nagkaroon siya ng parang self-monologue na maingay si Babbling Bjork.
Ginagawa ko
Oo.
din.
It all happened 4 days ago. I was walking
Lumapit si
around.
Alathea.
Sumunod lang si
I was,
Grace.
Tiningnan
I
sila
was
masama
walking
ni
around.
Jen.
I was walking around the outskirts of Lonelywood, searching for rabbits, looking for fireflies, and looking at the stars.
Mhm.
What was I saying? Ah, yes, moose. That's where I saw it. The moose. I saw him across the lake. Across the lake, I see. It's large, and it's covered in white, shimmering aura. Gumaganon siya. Well, and then I ran away. Sorry for how I met the moose.
Right. Where did you saw the moose?
The lake. The moose.
Which lake? Wait, we don't. Do you have a map? Does anyone have a map?
I'm gonna bring out my map and like silently
Ayan,
places
teka.
it
Si-share ko na din sa
towards.
inyo.
Oh, thank you. Could you show us which lake?
And can you have that nyo? For the map?
Mm-mm.
Tapos na-identify nyo saan. Dito sa maliit na mapa ng Lonelywood, there sits a very small, small lake. And well, it's the secondary livelihood dito sa Lonelywood.
Sorry.
Fishing and logging. And this past few months, it's been stale. It's been difficult to yield good harvest, particularly because siguro nga mas naging volatile yung situation ng lake dahil nga doon sa pagbabago ng weather, di ba? Na eternal darkness. Tapos tinuro din, nakita ni, di ba nilabas ni Yen, nakita rin ni here, across this, sorry, that's sila isa na lang yung accent. Pero tama lang naman yung isang taon lang sila. It's across this lake here. The moose lies here. Tapos tinuro niya yung parang yung isang forest side na hindi masyadong popular na puntahan ng mga loggers kasi nga it's across the lake. Tapos yung only other way na para pumunta doon by foot is kinda medyo matagal. It takes around an hour or so. So most people na mag-iisip na mag-logging just don't bother kahit na it's kind of naman right there lang, ganun.
Mhm.
Tapos as nagkakwento si Babbling Björg, may pumasok naman na dalawa pang figures into the tavern. This time, a very tall cat creature and a small... Anong hayop ba si Rhyme?
Jordan.
Yordle figure.
You're the
Pusa yan.
Pusa daw.
Yan. So, yan. Dalawang pusa, yun. Tapos behind them pa, parang kasama niya. Inano ko na magkasama na kayong tatlo. Parang galing ka na doon sa
nakuha ko
story.
na yung stuff, ganun.
Yeah. Tapos, ikaw Yen, you don't know these two cute feline creatures, pero you're familiar with the human behind them na kasi you've interacted before. Bumili ka na ng a few stuff from him.
Yeah.
Tapos so Snowy, Rhyme, and Kobe, anong gagawin niyo?
Ako?
Yung tatlo, yeah.
Yeah.
Sabihin ko na ba?
One. Yeah, sure.
Wait,
Sure.
si Rhyme and Snowy ba? Or do I interact with Yen first? Like, do I...
Ikaw ba?
Ikaw
Kayo nang
bahala.
bahala. What do you want to do? What do you all want to do?
I think I think I'll like head to Yan first.
Mhm.
I'll be like,
Nagtipon na kami.
Yan, what's up? Parang ganun.
Ah,
Okay. Oh, Yan, what's up? Do you need another hand warmer? Did you eat another one?
What?
Alata, hirap patingin kay Yen.
Is that a new recipe here? Hand warmers?
Wait.
They serve hand
Paano niya
warmers?
dala? He's joking.
Actually, I made you a little thing. I made you a magical salamander popsicle. So using magic, I accelerated the limb regrowing properties of salamander. So as long as you don't eat the whole thing, the limbs will grow back in around 30 minutes. So it'll give you something to snack on when you're feeling munchy.
Mhm.
Habang sinasabi yun ni Kobe,
I'm
si Yan,
just
parang papalayo na siya sa lamesa. Tapos yung chair niya umaalis na.
Hey.
Nung narinig ni Rhyme yung mga sinasabi ni Kubi, hinila na ni Rhyme si Snowy papunta sa bartender. Para
Sumusunod lang si Snowy kay Ryan. Pero nakatingin siya kay Kobe like, what's happening?
Yeah.
I mean, naka-perk up yung ears niya and stuff. Parang, interesting.
Ayun, so iniwan ko sa table.
Yung salamander. What the hell?
Popsicle.
Tinitigan lang niya yung salamander.
Tapos nakita niya si Calcio, nakatitig lang siya sa salaman. Tapos tahimik lang siyang tumayo, tapos umalis na siya.
Sika.
parang he's not gonna engage with that talk. Like, what the hell? What's going on? Una lumapit sa kanya si Bubbling Beard, tapos yung isa pang local weirdo lumapit na rin sa kanya.
Si
Alata
Alataya,
one
si
plate.
Alataya lumayo ng konti kay Yen.
I-gesture ko yung salamander popsicle, tapos titingin ako sa lahat. I'll be like, you guys want some?
No,
Nakita
thanks.
niyo yung yung iba pang mga nakikinig sa inyo na previously parang nakikichismis, biglang parang patay mali siyang hindi nakatingin.
Everyone, look
Tingin-
away.
Tingin sa lahat. Gusto niyo?
Or balik
Guys.
sa kanya-kanyang inom. Kanya-kanyang inom. Tapos parang narinig mo yung sino may si Althea, parang narinig mo sa may narinig kang mahinang lang. Parang motherfucking salamanders. Tapos may umiinom siya. What the fuck, salamanders? Tapos, okay. Tapos, Kobe tuloy. Rhyme and Snowy. You both approach yung bar, di ba? Tapos, there you see yung isa pang familiar. Kasi you're traveled. You've lived in Freljord, so you know all these people na. And Melin is no exception. She's another old, but parang napaka-progressive naman ng na to. Village na to. Lahat ng may-ari, babae. Alam mo ngayon ko lang napansin.
Slay.
Ayan. She's old, pero she's kind of she has this homey aura about her. Tapos, nung nakita niya kayo, ooh! Tapos, I know what to get you, dears. Just stay there. Tapos, naglabas siya kagad ng dalawang gatas sa inyong dalawa.
Okay.
Ah,
Warm milk.
Warm milk.
mga pusa.
On the house, love. On the house,
Thank you very
love.
much, Miss Melin.
I put an extra flavor on yours, Rhyme. Kuhanan siya.
thank you so much.
Tapos, yan? Tapos, alam mo yung, kayong dalawa, alam niyo yung history ni Melin. Parang, siguro, gaguhin nyo na lahat, kahit sino sa buong Lonelywood. Just not Melin. Just not the owner of the tavern. Or else you're not gonna see the light of day the next day. Parang ganon.
Makes
She's
sense.
everyone's mother. Parang ganon.
Bubuhin ka ng buong town.
Exactly. It's that kind of, woman. Hi. How was your trip, dear? Did you have fun?
Rhymes a lot of things, Biglang ganon, charot.
At
Gan-
ang
Gano'n
you,
ka,
Snowy?
gano'n ka okay yung gatas.
Mm-mm. How about you, Snow? How was your trip, dear?
It was uneventful, which means it was pretty good. Not a lot of
Tell
fighting
me
this
all
time around.
about it. Tapos, inabutan niya pa kayo ng ng libreng ulam.
Let's
Ano?
go.
Oo. Ano siya? It's, anong tawag doon? Trout.
Salamander.
The trout. It's trout. Yung Lonelywood
Okay.
trout. They're particular delicacy na can only be found in Lonelywood. And they're very good. Translation,
Oh.
salmon sila.
Yay. We're eating well.
Mm-mm.
Nabayaran, napakain.
Na,
Yun lang talaga pag pusa, tapos lahat ng matriarchs ay old ladies. I'm so sorry.
Kaya pala.
Any special treatment?
with special
Mm-mm.
treatment. Yes.
Mm-mm.
Let's go. Pero yeah, ikikwento lang ni Snowy yung nangyari, which is like, snow, travel,
More
snow,
snow.
snow,
Mm-mm.
and snow.
Oh, while that's happening, ano yun, Rhyme?
Hindi, bang siya, kumakain lang siya ng masingsing.
Mhm.
Tango lang siya habang, yung puro ugly lang, puro ugly sound. Ganun.
Mhm.
Habang,
Yes man lang, affirmation lang. Yes, it's affirmations lang. Okay. While that's happening, balik tayo kila Yen. So, habang nangyayari pa, umalis na si Calcio, nagkaroon kayo ng medyo iwasang game kasama si Althea. Nakita niyo si Björk, parang sabi niya, pati siya hindi na siya komportable sa nangyayari. and he's seen some shit, diba? Parang kahit siya ayaw niya na.
He saw the moose.
Tapos tapos para para parang kinilear up niya yung sarili yung throat niya. So, what do you think about the moose story? You believe me about the moose, yes?
Sure.
Well, Nimsy said we have to kill this moose.
Tapos nung narinig niya yung sabi niyo kill, parang nag-perk up ulit yung mga tao sa paligid niyo. Tapos parang Tapos sabi ni Björk, like, you're going to kill the moose. The moose.
Yes, the moose.
Yeah, the moose. Yeah.
The moose.
Just the two of you? Just like that. Tapos tinignan kanya Grace. Sabi, just like that.
The judgment.
Grabe,
Sinapak niya si ano, Chara.
si Berg ba yan? Si Berg?
Tavern
Oh,
fight.
Björk.
Si Berg yung crazy person yung naging sensible.
Oo.
Si
You
Althea
two are-
nakatingin din kay Grace and be like, sa isip-isip niya, oo nga no.
You two are gonna hunt a moose. Just like that.
I'm quite strong. Do you wanna
Let
test
me-
it out?
Nang laki mata.
Di na lang niya pinansin. Parang sinake na lang niya yung umiling na lang siya. Yun.
You.
Pero sabi, but not what I meant. What I meant is, you're gonna need more than just the two of you.
It's just a moose.
This moose? He's the moose.
Right, like, how big is this moose supposed to be? That the two of us aren't enough to kill it?
Huge. Like 30 feet tall.
Ilan daw?
30 feet.
30?
30?
Eat?
What the?
What the fuck?
Napagasp na lang si
Althea,
Grace.
once again, nagulat.
It's the moose.
It's because my movement speed.
Like 30?
It's me.
Has this moose ever did anything bad to your village?
Well, not just in Lonelywood. He's been attacking everyone in 10 towns.
I
Well,
see.
well, the others say that it's a demigod gone loose. Gone cray-cray, they say. But Anivia's winds should tell us everything about these demigods. And a moose is not one of them.
Althea looks to Grace and whispers, should we just decline Nimsi's request and freeze to death?
Um,
Kung decline na lang ba natin yung mission, tapos maano na lang tayo, mamatay na lang tayo sa lamig.
what do you mean? Well, we can ask for help, can't we?
Do you have money to pay people?
Oh, well, I don't have money, but maybe...
die.
Narinig niya ba yun, yung bumulong? Bumulong ba si Yen?
Hindi, sa isip niya lang.
You're going to die. Confessa.
Althea then looks to Yen and
Yan looks
says,
at the ceiling.
weren't you... wasn't this babbling bear talking to you earlier? Don't you have to fight the moose too?
Oh,
Do you want to team up?
Can we borrow your map? If it's okay.
No.
We're really doing this?
No.
We need the rations.
How are we supposed to
Okay.
fight a 30-foot moose?
I don't know.
Ubi nandun ka pa rin sa kanila.
Pwede ako lumapit muna kaila Rhyme and Snowy.
Sure, while that's happening.
Yeah, while that's happening.
So yeah, there was more snow.
Sila chilling.
Snowy Rhyme!
Yes.
Oh, okay. So here are the things I made for you. So for Snowy, I made you a track tower. So what's a
Ooh.
track tower? Wait, i-copy paste ko lang. You can... Oh, putik. Wait lang, guys.
Ikaw lang.
Danger.
Everything's getting messed up. Relatable.
This one. Parang ganito siya.
Oh?
Pero,
Ano yan?
okay. So I made you a 4-tier track tower to fidget with. Because I feel like, you travel a lot. I feel like you'd want to fidget with something like this. So the balls are made of polished snow rock. It's enhanced with magic, so it's more durable. And the spinner is made of some sort of alloy. I'm not sure. I just threw together what stuff. Whatever I had. Because you remind me of my cat at my old home in Zone.
Guys, Snowy po yung
And
Oh.
then for you, Rhyme, I made you a small music box using nylon strings made from crude oil. So that's diaminohexane, and then 10 milliliters of solution of sebasol chloride, and then
Grabe.
sodium carbonate, and then 10. Anyway,
In one
just
ear
try
and
winding
out
it
the
up
other.
try winding it up and opening it.
So, ano?
I-open mo ba?
Wait, no, paparating ka pa lang, nagpanik.
Oh, shit.
Tapos, maling drink yung nainom niya.
Ano na inom? Alak?
Sa panic.
Yikes.
Kainom siya ng
Oh
alak.
no.
Yeah.
Oh
So
my.
nalasing ka. So inopen mo.
So,
Hmm.
so ano,
Ang bilis mo naman nalasing. May nalasing kagad tayo sa session 1.
girl, yung pusa, yung size niya 3 feet.
Bagay. Oo nga naman.
Sal-
Noted. Point taken.
So,
Mhm.
ano, pero ang good thing, oh yes, Kobe, let me check this.
Hmm.
Ay, wow. Ito
In-
talaga.
Wow. Yung music.
Pwede na mag-DM si JP.
Oo.
Alam ko na sino next DM natin. Namatay lahat ng NPC. Kailangan na ng bagong set.
Reset ang world.
Basta sobrang hyper ni Ryan, sinabayan niya lang. Wag niyo na
Ano siya
Yeah.
magka-perform si Ryan?
Ano daw?
kunwari ano, like nawala di ba
Kumanta
yung
siya.
kahihiyan ni Ryan.
Oo, nalasing kasi.
So, sumabay siya dun sa song.
Okay, Rhyme. Mag-ano ka nga, mag-roll ka ng performance with disadvantage.
Disadvantage.
Lasing kasi siya.
Lasing.
Paano yun?
Kung gaano kaganda yung perform. Kapag disadvantage, click, alam ko, roll mo siya, tapos dadrag mo pababa. For disadvantage.
Okay.
Yung roll. Yan.
Ay, sorry, nag-ano ako.
Ay.
Try ko.
Ay, so habang
Grabe.
nagpe-perform ka, habang
Si
nagpe-perform ka,
Alden
Rai,
nagsayaw-sayaw.
wow,
Nagawa.
umepal, pumunta sa gitna si Altes, bigla
Napindot ko lang. I'm so sorry.
nag-vault sa gitna mag-isa.
19 pa. Mind you, this is a good performance.
Hinatak si
Oo.
Grace, nag-vault sa gitna.
Oo, ganon.
Althea.
Wait. Sorry.
The joke lang naman.
Damn.
Okay, Ryan. Well, in your drunken stupor, medyo naka-perform ka naman decent. Pero minsan yung yung instrument mo? Viola?
Oh.
Yung viola mo screech minsan. Pero nababawi mo naman kagad. Pero yeah, you're drunk. Kind of.
Makes sense.
Maybe.
May tumugtog.
Tapos, iingay nyo na. Like, napapatingin na ulit sa inyo yung mga tao. And well, syempre narinig din nila Yen yun, di ba? Yung nangyayari dun. Nila Yen, nila Grace, and everything. So, tapos, while that's happening, sumingit si Millen, like, Kobe dear, what do you have for me? Are you ordering milk too?
Oh wait, ito. Oh, Mrs. Millen, I'll get some. Yeah, I'll get some milk. Oh, also, I have a letter for you from. Ano yung pangalan niya? Irish Cree
Iris
or
Cree.
something.
Yeah,
Iris
Iris
Cree.
Cree.
I have a letter
Yeah.
for you from Mrs. Iris Cree. Here you go.
Oh, tapos pinakit niya yung letter. Alam niya, parang, I'll take a look at it later, sweetie. But thank you. Bumunta siya sa likod. Tapos naglabas siya ng warm milk din para sa'yo. Here, as thank is on the house. Buti hindi siya nalulugi kasi lahat libre.
Ilan na hindi libre na.
Oo, tatlo na.
3 milk, 2 meal.
2 meal. Anyway. But what's happening? Ayun, inabot niya sa'yo yung milk ayun. Hello?
Oh,
Ay, ako ba? Ako pa rin ba?
Oo.
Ikaw.
Oh, yeah.
So, Mrs. Mellon, maybe I could interest you in some firefly-powered lanterns. Like,
Ano naman siya?
I'm looking at the lanterns here, and fire. It's pretty hard to come by here in Freljord. So what about it? It'll really cut down on your costs.
parang ano, tulala lang si Melin. Oh, sorry, dear. I was miles away. What did you say?
Ah. Ah. Repeat.
Snowy pats your
Ah.
back.
Lantern. I'll think about it, sweetie. I'm a bit tied up as it is.
Is something wrong?
Well, tapos napatingin sa
Yung
likod
sa
ng ano.
letter, parang ganun.
Hindi, yung sa, parang yung back, ang tawag din yung sa likod ng resto. Basta yung sa
Kitchen?
yung kitchen. Yeah. Well, you know you're a merchant as well, right, sweetie? The trade has been quite pale lately, and well, I'm about to run out on rum.
On
And-
rum?
Yeah,
Yung
I
alak.
mean beer.
Alcohol?
Alak, yeah, alcohol. And well, the case with the moose has been affecting me as well, sweetie. I'm about to run out of rum, and I'm gonna be out of business if that happens, because, you know, I'm a tavern. I'm just worried, sweetie.
Kobe thinks I
The
need
moose?
to kill that moose. My money.
You can't
Oh.
sell if they're dead.
Tapos,
Mark my words, Mrs. Mellon. That moose will be eating the dirt.
tapos
moose?
ano, tapos, yeah, tapos napatingin siya kay Snowy. Snowy, you're here. Perfect timing, sweetie. How about this? I will give you 200 gold if you slay this moose.
Anatea's ears perks up
Um,
at the mention of gold.
Miss Melon, you know I'm not a very materialistic person, but I'll take you up on that offer. But wait, a moose has been causing problems in this town?
Lumapit na naman si Berg, tapos inulit na naman niya yung kwento.
Oh, Bjork.
Mm. Yes. Sure. Oh. Well, Snowy, nag-iba boses naman ni Björk. Wala pa rin akong boses kay Björk. I'm so sorry. Kayo nang bahala mag-decide. Yan na eh! Then, the moose. You believe me about the moose, Snowy, yes?
Snowy thinks about it like he's like the town weirdo and everything, but also
Hindi ka na niya hinintay. Tapos para tumingin siya kagad kay Rhyme. Sabi, how about you, Rhyme? You believe me about the moose, yes? Rhyme?
Tumigil. Nandito pa ba?
Yes, nandito ka pa.
So, tumigil sa pag-perform si Ryan. And, yes.
Nalasing na IRL.
O, hindi pa ako
Ay, ba, IRL?
Buti pa lang to. Hinahanap ko yung boses ni Ryan.
Okay.
Okay.
Hey, okay, I believe you.
So, tumigil si Rhyme ng pagtutugtog nung viol since sinabi ni Merlin yung problema about the moose. And then
yes, I believe the story about the moose. Don't worry, I'm gonna smash my viol on that moose.
Holy shit, Rhyme.
Ting nakape. Tapos ay narinig So, narinig nyo Althea, Grace, ang usapan nila Siyempre, sumigaw ulit si di ba?
Perk up, yeah. I'd be like, wait, hold on, wait. You guys, can we join you?
Who are you?
Sumunod lang si Grace.
Well, the elder Nimsi also tasked us in killing the moose.
Wait. Bumulong si Grace
Alright.
kay... Paano ito? Paano mo?
Alatea.
Althea.
Tapos sabi niya, I think their offer is much better. The tavern keeper is offering 200 gold, while the mayor is offering us, 7 rations?
And 2 hunting dogs?
Oh, I forgot about the dogs.
Feeling dog.
Okay.
Feeling dog.
Hey, ano ba
Sled.
siya, hunting dogs or
self-filling dogs. Yung slay dogs.
Ano yun?
Yung slay,
Yung
yung
naghahatak.
Lock na. Ay,
Hahatak.
naghahatak na.
Ah,
Lahat-
stray dogs. Okay,
Alaskan Malamute. Yun yung binibigay niya
Okay.
ngayon.
Magsama.
Okay, okay. I mean, yeah, but also we have. I mean, we could join them here too. I don't. But either way, we will need help.
Okay. So, are
30
you guys
foot
gonna
moose?
hunt the moose?
Yeah.
Um,
I
tumingin
need
si Rhyme
sail.
doon sa dalawa. Tapos sabay-sabay. Aren't you cold, big sister?
Ako?
Tignan niya si Grace. Si Grace.
Me?
Yeah.
Tapos hinubad niyo yung coat niya, tapos kita niyo yung, hugis ng muscles niya.
Kubader.
Yung biceps niya. Tapos sabi niya, I'm fine.
Althea, just mouth open. Can't believe na mas kulado pa sa kanya si Grace.
Nawala yung lasing niya.
Sober up. Um,
Is there any
Uh,
problem, guys?
no, I was sorry. You guys are travelers? I've never seen you in around these parts before.
Well,
Yeah, I
yeah.
I came from Targon.
Target.
I came
Long way from home.
Demacia.
Very much.
Nakita niyo parang si Snowy's like, why the hell are they here? Pero questions for later. I'm Snowy, by the way.
I'm Grace.
Pleasure.
Katak mata ni Rhyme.
Althea, it's a pleasure to meet you guys.
Oh, your name is
Ah.
Althea. I see.
You don't-
What?
I thought you two were traveling together.
Kasi nga di sila nag-uusap, di ba?
Ikaw pala.
Asan si Yen?
Si yun naiwan.
Iwan.
Si Yen nasa mesa, tapos parang ginajudge niya kayo, tapos kinakain niya na yung salamander.
Ayun.
Sabi ko nga ba?
Okay.
Oh.
Wait lang, Yan, pwede ka ba Constitution saving throw with advantage?
Ayop ka, GP.
What is this salamander? Holy shit.
Hindi yan. Kasi bilge water siya eh.
Constitution.
So she can eat anything.
Yeah. With advantage.
Paalam ba di?
Oh, let's go.
Sabi
Okay.
kasi okay yung
Let's
food
go.
eh. Oh.
Etong salamander na to, basic. Mas nakakain ka na ng pusit na.
Opposite na yan.
Trigger warning.
Kasi you're from Bilgewater. Like, what's a salamander? You've eaten like more grotesque looking sea creatures than this.
Let's
Well,
go.
yeah. And yeah, it tastes horrible, but like, okay.
So,
Saka mo na malalaman kung ano yung effect niya.
it's not
Huh?
very
Anong effect?
satisfying.
Walang effect yan.
Merong effect yan,
Safe
syempre.
yan, safe.
Naglalagay ni COVID dyan.
Okay, anyway.
Hindi pa ako nag-hike kila, what,
Kami.
ano name
Si
mo
Grace.
ulit? Althea
Grace
and
and-
Grace.
Mhm.
Althea and
Althea.
Grace.
Okay. Hi, Althea and Grace. I'm Kobe. Nice muscles. But
Thank you.
that does look a bit cold, so have some complimentary hand warmers on me.
For free?
For free, of course. They're cheap as hell. They're like 1 silver.
Thank you.
I mean, no,
Tinanggal din ni
one-
Althea
like
yung
10
coat niya
bronze.
para may hand warmer din siya.
Ayun. Sinuot niya yung handwarm.
Hindi, both nga.
Okay.
Since
Well,
from
Thank you very much.
malayo kayo.
Thank you.
Gago.
So,
Ano?
Oh.
Ako nga pala DM.
Enjoy na
Pumunta
lang
ako sa stream.
Nakinig na
Pumunta
lang
ako sa stream ni Nikki. Oo. Like, ako nga pala DM. Dapat ako bukas yung alchemy ko.
Um,
Sorry. Natutuwa ako pag ganun eh. Pag kayo lang lagaan. Sige, yes. Tagalan nyo pa.
yung
Ah,
but it is pretty late and it gets a lot colder during the night. So if you guys want to start the hunt tomorrow, we
of
can.
course, we can go at first light if you want.
Yeah.
If everyone agrees.
When is first light in Freljord? Is there a first light?
Hindi, narinig ko lang siya. Basically, it's just morning.
Yeah,
going
yung
to
morning,
dawn.
yeah.
Mhm.
Parang napaisip ko si Snowy, parang that time.
Yeah, when she
Medyo light.
mentioned like first light, parang, wow, light. Parang, damn, it's been a while since you've seen the light nga. Pero, it's refreshing to hear first light again as as an expression.
Alright, are you sure you want to come with on this hunt?
For the
Ano daw?
Ano?
Wala na wala ka.
Lasing
Ang galing
pa ata
niya.
siya.
Ang galing niya na embody niya na si Rhyme. Sana si Rhyme talaga.
for Mama Merlin.
Okay.
Ah.
For Mama Mary.
Mama Merlin. Mama Merlin kasi.
Merlin ba, Merlin?
Sige, Merlin.
Melin.
Melin.
Lasing na siya, guys. Lasing na siya.
Nawala na yung lasing ni Rahim. Balik na siya sa mahiya.
Kita niya kasi muscles ni Grace.
May mas-masan.
Oh, ano, wait lang. Out of character, meron bang pagsistay-on si Snowy tsaka si Rhyme? Napadpadrin kami doon sa mayor's house.
Well, doon din kayo sa mayor's house mangyayari.
Tabi-tabi tayo.
Venus.
We could ask
wait.
the mayor if it's alright with her that you guys stay with us in her attic.
Well,
yes,
kayo,
Miss
Snowy
Nimsy.
and Rhyme, nakasleep na kayo doon before. So, you're sure na patutulugin kayo doon. Mhm.
Oh yes, Miss Nimsy. Yes. We can. The inns are full. Yeah, I don't think we have a choice in the matter. Alam ko ba na parang enough yung rooms para sa aming apat separately or kailangan na mag...
Yeah,
Ano?
alam mong, it's 4 beds.
Okay.
Ay, wow. Okay.
Nabanggit nga ni Mick na 4 beds yun nandun.
Okay. Hindi pa tayo mag-meet.
Salita si Grace. Sabi
tomorrow
niya kay
ngayon.
Alitea. Oh wait, before we go, we kind of need the map, don't we? Or at least a copy of it. Just tumingin siya kay
We have the map.
Oh, you guys
Oh.
have the map?
Ay,
That's great.
pagtatangkahan mo pa ang map ko.
Alam, sa totoo lang, kala ko natangay ni Grace yung map ni Yen this entire time. Kasi umalis lang
Oo
sila.
nga eh.
I was like,
Ay,
yung map ni
natangay
Yen.
mo ba?
Hindi.
Hindi na.
Ako
Hindi,
hindi.
hindi.
Oo, susundan ka na.
Mhm. So, it's settled? Sino ang ang plano niya?
Bumalik na kay Nimsy at magpahinga.
Mm-mm.
Kayong apat?
Oo.
Okay.
Oh, but before they leave, Alatea goes to Yen and asks again if would you like to join us tomorrow?
No, thank you. Bye.
Oh, okay.
Alis na siya.
Okay.
Nag-walk out.
Pagbalik tayo siya, wasn't that the one Kobe
Ang
said
bilis.
who ate hand warmers?
Yeah, but I mean, the more, the better.
Yeah, if she could
Yes.
eat hand warmers, she could probably like...
Eat the
You know.
moose.
I know,
Oh.
yeah.
Ah.
She's
No, I
very,
eat
she
one
seems
heart.
very strong.
Oh, she's very strong. And
Yep.
oh,
Ano? Ano
can't,
ba?
But
you can
she's a
really
bit-
force someone.
I mean, she was chomping on that salamander earlier, and I thought maybe.
How were you having a conversation with the rest and looking at me?
Just Swissan.
Bakit malayo ka ba sa kanila?
Oh,
Imagine
lumayo ka,
ko na
diba?
parang nasa gitna lang ako.
Oo.
Parang,
Lumayo ka,
Or
girl.
imagine you guys turned your backs on her.
Oo,
She was
natalikod kayo eh.
associated.
Kasi lumapit kayo sa sa bar eh.
Kita niyo sa
nakatalikod
peripherals
na.
niya.
Ang galing. Marupok naman. Kaner. Okay, go. Goku? Yan yung
Mhm.
plano niyong apat?
Papahinga.
Mhm.
Kasama si Cody, di ba? Si Cody, sorry.
No, may
May
sariling
sariling
may
bahay.
sariling
Oh,
may
no. I mean,
sarili
like,
siyang
kasama siya
husband.
dun sa Moose
Ah,
Hut.
yeah.
Yeah.
The 200
No.
gold is really makes
Yeah.
everyone's eyes shine, right?
Mhm.
Big gold, big gold.
Grabe naman tavern na yun, 200 gold. Holy
Wait,
I mean,
Slot
if you're
leader.
gonna get run out of business, right?
Mhm.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's go.
Okay.
Pahinga na.
Let's
Tutulog
settle.
na.
Nung matutulog na kayong lahat, nag-long rest kayo nang walang nababawasan. Ang galing nyo, guys. So happy for you. Pero,
Ang tawag
pero
dyan,
before that, efficiency.
it's too late in the night, ganon.
Mm-mm. Pero, while that's happening, yan, di ba you broke off from the group?
Mhm.
Saan ka nagpunta?
Can I look at the parang the direction of where yung target
lake?
ko nawala? Oo. Pero
Ah,
hindi na
it's
ako papasok sa
approxim-
wood. Parang titingnan ko lang kung may something ba.
Wait. You're, nasa labas ka, parang isa-scan mo na siya ahead of time?
Hindi ako papasok sa wood. Like, tingnan ko lang yung...
Okay.
I'll try to look into the... Yeah.
Okay, so magpa-perception check ka with disadvantage kasi madilim and it's snowing right now.
Mm. Hindi ko manap ito.
It's too snowy. It's too snowy. But
We might tend. That's something.
But I assume na you've done your your scanning of the kasi of the Lonelywood, 'di ba?
Mhm.
Kasi it's parang it's a part of you na to memorize yung kung saan ka. Kasi parang that's how Bilgewater works, 'di ba? Parang every nook and cranny you have to know.
Mhm.
And well, ano ba hinahanap mo again? Kung may ibang path?
Oo. Or kung may something weird like shadowy figures moving about,
Mhm.
may sound na weird.
Actually, at 10, okay, sige. You do notice something na nagsa-stand out. Kasi it's supposed to be all white, di ba? Tapos, a bit further lang yung darkness, di ba? You do see someone na lying on the floor. Like, face down on the snow.
Oh. That
A
might
bit
be
further
dead
away pa.
person.
Mga 25 feet away from you. Ganun.
25 feet.
Mhm.
Parang tao na nakahiga.
Nakadapa sa snow.
Hala.
Kano kalayo yung 25 feet?
25 feet. 25 na ruler.
25 na ruler.
It's it's siguro medium distance away, ganun.
Okay, I guess since confident naman si Yan sa ability niya,
Mhm.
she will carefully walk towards it. Like,
Mhm.
siguro she's gonna close in 15 meters, ganun, just to really see what's going on or try to get a better look.
Okay, so as you approach, it's apparent na motionless yung nakita mong nakadapa.
Oh shit.
Motionless siya talaga.
Do I have
Nabading
a torch?
Torch?
Oh.
Meron kang torch, yeah. Kasama ng
Okay.
pack mo.
You know what? Fuck it. I'm gonna check it out.
Ooh.
Nakita ba
Sinugod
nila?
naman.
Nakita ba nila papunta si Yin dun?
Hindi.
Mag-isa.
Next morning, nakita na natin si Yan.
Si Yan
Dalawa na
yun.
silang nakadapa.
Siya na yung
Ah.
nakadapa.
Lasap na siya doon.
Oh no.
Doon. Okay. So you approach the figure, the body.
The body.
Well, it may as well be a body. Because it is a
corpse?
body. Tapos, dahil sa due to the cold, it's super fresh yung whatever the corpse. Tapos, nakadapa siya. Are you going to turn it ba? Are you going to face it towards you? Yung ano?
Can I check my surroundings?
Okay. Sige. Make another perception check with disadvantage. Ay, hindi.
Ayan yung
Wala
mus-
nang disadvantage. May torch K. May torch K.
So, normal lang.
Mhm.
Oh.
Okay.
Nice.
19. So at a 19, you do notice someone na nakatingin din sa'yo from afar. Like he's hiding between kasi, parang how do I say this? Parang he's corner checking you, ganun. Tapos nung napansin niya nakaharap ka na sa kanya, he heads back into the shadows, into the alleyways.
Oh. I'm gonna say, I know you're there. Show yourself.
Ah,
In a ghost.
roll
Hala.
Minus one na tayo. Roll initiative.
It's Jober! Kainin mo na.
No
lang.
response. No response.
Pati ka
Susundan mo ba siya dun sa alleyway?
And I'm gonna
Bad
turn the
thing.
corpse over with my feet.
Pinagsipasip pa.
So you turn it over and it's a familiar face that you do know.
Oh,
Carl! Sino yan?
sino siya?
It's Caltro.
Si Carl!
Caltro!
Sinasabi ko
My
na!
client!
Intro.
Sinasabi ko
Castro
Oh my God.
namatay na.
That's
Yung
what you get
pogi.
for being weirded out.
Dapat na
Umalis
lang
kasi
siya.
agad.
Oh,
He's dead.
for real.
Why is he dead?
Salita.
No, he can't be dead. It's my only lead.
But he's dead. You will never be free of this curse.
Holy shit.
Kausap niya na si Sam.
Did this. Yun na pala si Sam.
Si
Nakapasa pala si Sam.
Sam.
Nagulat ako.
Siya pala. Akala ko siya.
Tapos I'm going to search his body for any clues or for anything.
Kung ano yung gold niya.
You're going to loot the corpse.
Mhm.
Okay. So in his person, meron pa siyang pouch and a dagger. Tapos that's basically it. Isang pouch lang saka isang dagger.
I'm
In
gonna
his
take the
person.
pouch
Mhm.
and the dagger.
Inside the pouch there's 30 silver and a gold inside.
Akin na
Tapos
yan?
meron siyang tapos merong ring. Meron dong ring na may na siya, instead of diamond, there's this odd na crystal dun sa
Mhm.
embedded sa kanya. You don't know what it is.
Ring with a weird crystal.
Mhm.
How do I put that in my equipment?
Mo lang, i-add mo lang sa equipment.
Create item.
Pwede mo siya iiwan mo na sa notes din. Tapos after session mo siya ilagay, pwedeng ganun.
Ah, okay.
Pwede din. Pero pwede mo siya gawin now if you want. Whatever suits you best. Ganun. So yun,
Nalagay ko.
add that. Okay, good.
And then I'm going to go back to the inn.
Mhm. And
Oh wait, no. My tracks.
ano yun?
Yung tracks ko. So, can I still study the corpse? Like, can I see the cause of death?
Okay, yeah. You can make a medicine check or investigation check, whatever you prefer.
Ito na lang. Oh wow, useless.
Oh shit.
Positive, ilan ang intelligence mo?
Intelligence 9.
Felt.
Well, he's dead. He's pale. Pero you see a
Dead.
stab wound, you assume it's what killed him. Ganun lang.
Yung dagger sa possession niya, it's clean.
It's clean, yeah. It's not the dagger that was used to stab him.
What about any blood stains on the snow?
Oh. Blood stains on the snow? No, wala.
Wala. This is my time to skedaddle.
Alis na lang siya.
Cover your tracks.
How do I get out of this without being framed?
Daddy.
Picture ng personally.
Oh, I can't reach the
Actually, ayun, you sense a familiar sensation sa'yo and you hear a voice in your head. You need my services, my dear. You know what must be done.
No. No.
It's the only way. No evidence.
But
It's you and me.
But someone's here. He might see. And he could be the killer.
si Subgentleman. Iba ding demonyo.
Well,
Just straight up.
my services are in your hands. Use it as you feel like.
Are you saying we eat him too?
Yes, di ko kaya yung boses na yan.
This is selfie.
You know what? I'm gonna eat the body. I'm eating the body.
Kaltra!
Okay.
Kaltro. Hindi man namin nakita. Namatay siya. Hindi namin nakita.
I have
Di
things to
Hindi
fight.
nakatulong yung salamander.
Oo, kinain niya pa rin.
I'm gonna eat the body, the entirety of it.
Alam mo
Oh.
bang nakaalis na?
Tapos nahanapin mo yung friend niya.
What happened to Kaltro?
Sa chan.
It's gonna be a reunion in my
Ay,
stomach.
kinain rin.
Ano ba?
Kainin niya
Pala
rin.
to eh. Pelican.
Mhm. Pero, so you devour him? Yung ano mo, yung ano yun, yung facial structure mo
Feature.
nag-deform. Yeah.
Mm.
Tapos nag-widen unnaturally into unspeakable size yung mouth mo as you devour him whole.
May meme yan eh.
And Calcio is no more. Mhm. Ano yun?
I am filled.
Yes. Oh. 2 crimes have been committed tonight.
Uwi na ako.
The others are sleeping happily in their beds, in their warm, happy beds. Tapos ikaw, busog ka. Natutulog kang
Busog
busog.
ka?
Bukas ba nilalaro na?
Tapos, doon natin tatapusin ang ating unang session. May dalawa tayong mystery na kailangan isolve.
Ang bilis.
May
Mabilis
dalawang mystery
lang.
ba kailangan? Eh, hindi namin kilala kung sino si Kaltro.
Technically, ano yung gagawin ka ba? Wait lang guys. Pero yun muna. Hanggang dun lang muna ang session 1. Maikli lang siya. Kahit marami pa akong pinirep.
Si
Wait lang, BRB.
may sariling side mission.